Hi, this is Anna, and today we are doing an unbagging from a store called Mr. DIY. So I went shopping today and I had to get some things. I was like, I wonder if anyone's ever done an unbagging at this store, and I thought I would. So I spent about $30. It was like 28.75 USD equivalent. Oh my God, a load of stuff. So the first thing is it's cutesy dust broom with a smiley face. I needed a broom that's kind of like, this was so very reasonable if I just grabbed it. So plus it has a smiley face, which reminds me of Bad Buddy. So this was about 74 baht, and I decided to do it because I have been hurting my wrists lately, and this has a special wrist cushion that's gel, so I think it will be much more comfortable for my wrist to rest. These are aroma beads. These are about $1. If you're not familiar with aroma beads, they're very popular in Asia. But what you do is you open up. I know they're chemical here, all perfumes, but they make your house a lot better and your apartments. So I found out about these in Taiwan, and they really help if you live in a humid place with making it smell good. So these were about $1, and they smell like orange scent. So they're just going to go 2 places in my current place that I'm staying, so that it doesn't smell bad here at all. So it's not to say that I'm living in a stinky place, but this will help make it smell even better. So, and you can just get replacement aroma beads too, because they dry out over time. So, one in each room. This I got because I bought a shelving unit, and these I can hang things in the shelving unit. So these were like literally 60 cents for these hooks. Okay. This I got. This is an HDMI cable. I finally bust loose because if you live in Southeast Asia, it is freaking hot. And I do not want to walk outside to exercise like I did when I was staying in Taiwan. And in Vietnam, you cannot do that. So I actually bought an exercise mat that's plug and play, so it will go into my computer and allow me to do like some running routines or some yoga routines using the mat. And I'm going to plug that into my big screen TV with this HDMI cord, so I don't have to look at the little screen. This was about $3 for the HDMI cord. Okay. Next up, I bought the surge protector. This was about $3. The reason I bought this was because I brought a surge protector with me from Taiwan, but I think it broke. The light's no longer working, and I want to make sure that my computer doesn't blow up in a rainstorm, for example, wherever I'm traveling to. So, the surge protector. Okay. Next up, more hooks. I'm a little obsessive with the S6 room, but you never know when you might need to hang something up. So, there we go. I have some of these that I bought from Taiwan, but they're starting to rust. So these were like $1. And you can just hang your wet things on them to dry. They're very, very handy and small. Another one. Got 2 just in case. These are for in the house. These are my new slippers. They're really cushy and nice. These are about $3. And I bought these for my, just to have. They're extra AA batteries. They were about $1 a piece, I don't know. And then I got some AAAs for my little candles that I have. So, I got another AAAs, but maybe not. Okay. So that was my thoughts on DIY. My pièce de résistance is I recently watched Love, Simon. It came out years ago, I know, but I finally got around to watch it, and I really like the movie. It's one of the few Western BL dramas that I didn't detest, which is rare for me with Western dramas of any sort, but especially BL dramas. So this is a Ferris wheel LED clock, and they tested it for me at the shop, which I also love. I'm like, that is wonderful. I will be coming back one of these days. So plug it in like, I'm just going to plug it into the computer to make it easier. And then it lights up. And at night, let's see here, it should light up the Ferris wheel. Maybe the Ferris wheel goes in the other way. I don't know. Anyway, it's supposed to light up the Ferris wheel at the end of the day. I'm not sure if it will or not, but it looked really cool in the thingy. So, and I needed a clock of some sort, so I thought this will work great, and I can set it. I don't know how we set the clock, but I suppose I will need to read the instructions. Oh, it lights up in intermittent bursts. Okay. And how do we set the freaking clock? Oh, there it is. Heat it up. Yay! Ooh, shiny, shiny. Okay, and then oh, you have to touch sensor it. It was only like $3, maybe a little less than $3. I was like, I could look at it and think of Simon at the top of the Ferris wheel, which is kind of fun. Totally over dramatic, but still, it was very cute. Okay, so I'm not sure how we actually set this clock because there appear to be no buttons. So I am a little baffled. Let's see if there is a instructions. Wow. I might actually read those this time. Let's see here. Okay. All right, you can put in a 3-volt battery, which I'm going to do. All right, this here. Okay, how do we set it? Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to disappear like that. Okay. Battery. Okay, you use this little touch sensor to set the clock, which I will do later, but it looks really cute. So this is going to be up later tonight. Right now I'm going to go eat my dinner. But that is the unbagging of what $28 will get you at Mr. DIY. And I'm really excited about my wrist's not hurting now. See? Oh, cushy, cushy, cushy. Okay. So I just moved this spot. So I still haven't quite got my computer set up here. There we go. Cushy, cushy, cushy. I'm loving the little wristy thingy. Okay. Check it. Bye.